Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, October the 14th, 2020. We have here three regular Sudokus. A binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. I will do 4 of them. But first, I will solve these regular Sudokus. And the first one is a binary. And this binary will be number 1749. Yes, 1749. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's in 10 by 10. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 4 O's. The 5th O, if I place the 5th O here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1's in a row. In this, alright, 4 1's in a row, not allowed. One of the rules of this Sudoku. So here cannot be a 1, cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the O there, then we have still 3 1's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Now we have 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Alright. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O. Oh, wait. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, and O, there, and O. Between 2. Oh, wait. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, and O, there, and O. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here, 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here, 1, and then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Then. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's, so the rest are O's. Then let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. And I think there is always between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. One of those empty boxes is an O and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So these two should be a 1. Alright, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here O, there O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. This is number 5. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. Regular Sudoku, it will be a medium Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.